Imagine entire web application's background or its database has been leaked, broken, and its accounts has been leaked into the web. How this even works? So in this video we will cover how hackers or malicious people, attackers, exploit web applications by using SQL injection. SQL injection is one of the oldest and one of the scariest attacks on the entire internet. So now let's understand how it works. When you are sending a request in the back server, like you are entering your login details in a login page, you are registering, you are doing something like, or even you are just watching products in some certain databases. When web application or any other web application uses database, it originally sends a request to background database, and in database they decide this thing exists or not. So when you do this, like entering your login details, doing category or more, server sends requests to database, and database is usually written in SQL language. So when this appears, you just need to understand how it works in the background. Now let's look into our lab. This lab is from Security Academy, PortSwigger Academy, and let's view our first lab. So as you can see, there's many options. One of them home, my account, and now our subject is enter as administrator. Now let's try login data as administrator, and I entered administrator and password of administrator. Now you can see that password or username is incorrect, invalid, and when we do this, we are actually commenting background, like server will send requests where it says username and it will not check for the password. That's how it works. So now just simply typing login, and as you can see, we logged in the administrator account. That was a simple bypassing using SQL injection. So now we have a second lab from PortSwigger to view, retrieve hidden data, like hidden data to retrieve it. So let's tap on random buttons. First of all, gifts, and as you can see, category is gifts. So here it can appear vulnerabilities. So we have a hint that web server actually checks through this query, and this query is gifts and unreleased one. Just adding 1 plus or plus 1 equals 1. As you can see, there's internal server error, which means we did everything not correctly, but we have proved that web server is working on SQL. Now let's comment, and as you can see, we have retrieved everything database has. So originally database should not tell us what it has. Like let's check original requests. So as you can see, there's only three parts, but we have retrieved all of them. So thanks for watching.